What we expected yesterday was that we expected crude to continue its uptrend. There is no doubt for us the crude, because on the previous day it has taken a clear support around 4,760, and if we want to say that, we rewind and we were targeting this 4,720. seriously we were targeting this 4,720 and 4,700 zones the last week. It was a lot of struggle for crude traders, so the market really tested our skills around 4,700 and 4,720. Though, so on the previous day, that is we can see that the market closed higher. So there was no doubt in our view that the crude can move higher. That was our expectation yesterday. Let us see what happened after that. So the market really opened and the market hit the major support zones. Actually it is a resistance 4,860. Now the price is staying above 4,860. It is acting as a support. So after a good high opening, we can see the market usually consolidates. So that is what happened in and around here. The market was consolidating. You can just let me pass it, and so the market was consolidating around 4,860. But the good news is that it is taking a clear support around 4,860. You can see it is taking a very clear support around 4,860, and the market really trying to move higher. So that gives us an indication that the trend is very strong. So the market crude trend was very strong. So you can see that slowly and steadily the market is moving and entering into the next zone of 4,900. Let us see. Yes, it entered into the zone of 4,900 and tested the major and the key resistance zone of 4,920. It is now time for us to mark this major key zone of 4,920, because we always have this practice of identifying and marking the major key zones, so that this will guide us in future. So after taking you can see why we are marking this type of zones, because after testing this 4,920, just you can see that there was a sharp drop. So it indicates that. So what it indicates, why it is dropping, is another question, because people had placed a lot of orders around 4,920. That may be one of the major reasons. So after taking a resistance here, the market came down. You can see again it is trying to provide us an opportunity to move to take and re-entry position. You can see that the market came down till 4,850. It just created a new low after the earlier price actions. So what we can do it, because we know 4,860 as a good support, because we had identified that 4,860 as a good support, because in the earlier session market was taking a good support. Then market took, really there was a bounce back and the market took the support around 4,860. Now let us see whether the market has got the ability to move higher. Yes, it is taking again the market is trying to move higher. You can see the level of buying. How we identify the market is strong in trend or weak in trend. You can see it forms a pattern. If you draw a trend line, it follows the trend line. So what we can, from this we can identify the market is having some strength in buying. But you can see again the market broke this 900 and created a day's high of around 4,924, nearly 4,924, and the price closed near the high of around 4,914. So what in seeing the entire price action, yesterday's price action, there is no doubt the market was dominated by the buyers. But one more important thing which we want to say is that people always have this tendency of trading against the trend, because we had witnessed a few of our clients had gone for this type of trading, because that means that people, as a trader, we cannot underestimate the trend. We can only stay with the trend, and overestimating our hopes and overestimating our views, we need to follow the price actions and we need to follow the trend. It is two simple concepts. Follow the price action and go with the trend, but going against the trend means you are simply underestimating the trend. So always trading with the trend can help you. You can rectify your mistakes. Please try to learn how to go and go with the trend and follow the price actions. And overestimating our internal hopes will always not going to help you. Sometimes it may help you. For example, if you have taken a sell around this zone, so it would have fetched you some profit, some short-term profit. But we can say that it is not going to it is not going to be sustained for a long time. because we had seen some of our clients having selling at 4720. So that is the reason we want to say that it is always a learning curve. It is not that sometimes we do mistakes, so it is a process of learning curve. We need to learn with our experience. What we have learned should guide us, and we should form a system, and the system we should obey that. If you still have any doubt how to trade, how to follow the price actions, how to go with the trend, that is a major reason why we are always providing these video presentations. Else we would have sent an SMS saying that this is the till this zone you can go for a buy. So it is always a package of education. So try to learn. If you have any doubt, contact us. We are ready to guide you and help you to make you a professional trader. So what we can do today is that today our expected price opening is also going to be somewhere around the same zone between 4900 and within this was based upon the NYMEX price actions we are predicting. And also you know that we are posting all these video presentations well before the price opening of the currency and the commodity market. So it is always subjected to minor changes, so there may not be much of difference in the price opening. Only the rupee factor will show the difference. Around 9 o'clock you can see and adjust how the rupee is trading, not only against the USD, but also you should follow how it is trading against a euro. So nowadays euro USD against euro, INR against euro is providing some momentum, so people are likely to follow that. And today's as you all know, rupee is playing a crucial role in deciding the price of commodities also. So what we can do today is that there is no doubt about the trend. We don't have a single doubt about the trend. The trend is very much higher, and also the most important thing is that today is Wednesday, which means we have a crude report around 8 o'clock. So that can also provide us a good opportunity. So what we can do today is that we don't have any doubt that the market can go with the trend. So we are also going to trade with the trend until we get a clear confirmation we don't go against the trend. So now it is our time to increase our stop loss zone. So 4760 till 4760 you can go for an average. Whenever the market is very strong with the trend, the two things is that one, the stop loss zone. So anywhere, because we know that if the price is going to hit these zones, it is going to bounce back. So the stop loss zone is also a bit higher. So it is so that is the major reason we always require clients to have more funds in a consolidation zone. If you have a few funds, you can manage bits because you need to go for an average till this zone. There is no other options left for us as a trader. So let us see what's going to till average till this zone. Again, we want to say the another most important thing. So many times we had told this. Whenever you are going to average for more than 100 or 150 points, try to book profit for the average lots at regular time interval. That will help you to minimize your loss and maximize your profit. Now, because we had made a good profit around 4720 until 4920, it is our responsibility to protect the profit which we had earned. So many traders don't follow this. Protecting is a part, earning is a second part. So both the things should go hands on hand. So let us see what's going to happen during a trading session and inventory report. Today we have inventory report at 8 o'clock. So thanks a lot for watching our video. And the target zones, the next target zone can be 4960, and if the market has really got the potential, so it is going to be 5000. So the good number around, always these round numbers always hits our minds. So after a long time, crude can move into the 5000 zones. So let us see how it's going to happen. Okay, thanks a lot for watching all our videos and all your support. Happy trading with good luck. Take care. Bye.